When you're printing D&D miniatures and you want to start painting D&D miniatures, what's something that you think of a lot? Well, you think of giants. And in today's video, I'm going to be 3D printing and painting this stone giant. A beautiful dude, I mean, quite buff, quite built, and the whole print will only take 3 hours and 7 minutes. We're going to go ahead and get the print started, which is actually going right now, as you can see. Now, the calibration is going as we currently speak, and this is a really important part. Especially if you're a printer when it might be on an uneven surface, you should always try and calibrate it. But this thing is almost on the calibration process, and then the printing is going to start, and that's going to take 3 hours, like I said. So I'll show you what the print looks like when it's done, but these things have been fantastic so far. The big guy is done. He's finally just came off the printer a few minutes ago, and if you look at the detail, again, there are no layer lines, no major issues, couple blemishes here, but that may be more to do with just like a little bit of stringing than anything else. But we'll get this guy cleaned up, and like last time, we're gonna paint him.